we guide you through how to track Western Union money transfer. So first, go to the official Western Union website or open Western Union app on your phone, and once you're there, look the track transfer option on the home page. Click it, then enter your money transfer control number or MTCN, which you can find on your receipt or confirmation message. After that, type in the sender's name exactly as it appears on the transfer. Then select the destination country where the money was sent. Double-check all the details before you press Track Transfer to avoid errors. Once submitted, the system will instantly show you the status of your transaction, whether it is still processing, already sent, or ready for pickup. If the status says ready for pickup, remind the receiver to bring a valid ID and the MTCN when claiming the money. If you encountered issues or tracking doesn't show results, contact Western Union customer support or visit the nearest agent location for assistance.